Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Xero accounting software. We'll take a quick guided tour through the main areas so you know exactly where to find the tools you'll use every day. I'm starting from the Xero homepage using the demo company, which gives you a safe space to explore. On the homepage, you'll see a dashboard with bank balances, invoices owed to you, bills you need to pay, and a cash flow snapshot. This overview helps you spot what needs attention right away. First, click Sales. This is your hub for money coming in. Here you'll find invoices, quotes, and customer credit notes, along with easy filters to view what's awaiting payment, what's overdue, and what's been paid. It's a great place to monitor aged receivables and keep on top of follow-ups. If you're reviewing trends, try adjusting date ranges to see recent activity versus month to date. Next, click Purchases. Think of this as the mirror image of sales. It's where you manage bills from suppliers, purchase orders, and any supplier credits. You can quickly check what's due soon to plan cash flow and drill into individual bills to confirm details. Staying on top of this section helps you avoid late fees and keeps vendor relationships smooth. Now click Reporting. This is where the numbers come together. You'll find the profit and loss, balance sheet, aged receivables and payables, and lots of performance reports. Many reports let you change the date, compare periods, and show or hide columns so the layout matches what you need. If you find a view you like, save it as a favorite to get back to it faster. Click Payroll. If payroll is enabled in your organization, this is where you'll see employees, pay runs, timesheets, and statutory filings relevant to your region. Even if you don't process payroll yourself, it's useful to know this is the central place for payroll settings and reports. Click Accounting. This is the engine room for bank accounts, bank reconciliation, manual journals, and your chart of accounts. From here, you can review bank feeds, reconcile transactions, and keep your accounts tidy. Accuracy in this area ensures your reports reflect the real story. Click Tax. You'll find tools for managing VAT or sales tax, viewing periods, and preparing returns. Consistent coding and correct tax rates upstream make this section much easier to handle at deadline time. Click Contacts. All your customers and suppliers live here. Keep details up to date and use groups or notes to organize them, which helps with targeted reporting and smoother communication. Finally, click Projects. Use this to track time and costs against jobs, see profitability, and invoice project work more clearly. Even simple projects benefit from this visibility. That's the tour. With these sections under your belt, you'll navigate Xero confidently and focus on the work that matters.